right. Welcome everyone to our first lesson about ChatGPT. So what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a neural network, and I believe it's the most advanced one and among the most popular ones nowadays. So let's get started. First, we will talk about what is ChatGPT. So we will discuss its advantages and limitations, some fundamentals of ChatGPT, its historical background, and of course possible applications. So ChatGPT was developed by OpenAI. It operates on the generative pre-trained transformer model. So GPT stands for generative pre-trained transformer. ChatGPT is a text model that's designed to comprehend natural language and provides real-time responses to your requests. So it's mainly text model and it works with large amounts of text. What are actually advantages and disadvantages of this neural network? Well, first it's high precision. So ChatGPT is well trained and it's able to process a lot of information with pretty accurate requests. It's user-friendly. It interacts with you like a human, so you speak with it like with a human. It works very fast, minutes or even seconds takes to produce the response. However, it has some limitations. For example, its responses could be sometimes inaccurate. Sometimes it may even yield some incorrect or nonsensical answers. So, of course, you need to check the information that it gives to you. Sometimes it doesn't understand questions correctly, so you need to specify some information that you're going to give to it. And, of course, you need to understand that it works based on knowledge updates. So, currently, the most advanced version of ChatGPT, which is version 4, updated to September 2023. So basically it means that it doesn't know anything that happened beyond this date, and you need to be aware of that. You need to know what ChatGPT will not do. It will not perform any illegal activities or respond to any legal requests, promote inappropriate behavior, disrespect, hatred. It doesn't share any confidential information or personal information. If you are going to ask ChatGPT about legal activities like drug preparation or committing crimes or committing fraud, etc., it won't respond. And moreover, if you persist with these requests, you may be banned by the system. So let's talk about a little bit of history of ChatGPT. As I told before, it's a neural network with transformer architecture. This neural network is capable to through learning. So you teach this neural network and it learns from you. First model was introduced in 2018 with parameters, so it's not too many, just for basic text generation. And then in 2019 it was enhanced 1.5 billion parameters. So basically it was already more advanced model, and then in 2020 it made a significant leap up to 175 billion parameters, excelling in various language tasks. So GPT-3 model was already advanced at that time, but it still was not available for public. So the first publicly available model was GPT 3.5. It appeared 2021. With its performance of 45 terabytes of data, and basically became open to the public in 2022, November 2022, and over 2 months, just in January 2023, it gained such popularity that there was already around 100 million people using it. The most advanced model, GPT-4, in 2023, and it had already over parameters, so it was very well trained. And so far it's the most advanced model with the highest performance. It even supports image processing. Yes, can generate images. So now it's not only text model, and this is its main advantage over 3.5. So it can generate images and it can recognize images. So what are possible applications of ChatGPT? Well, almost everywhere, from babysitting mothers or just people who are using it for everyday life, to many occupations like writers, journalists, or students, and where you need a lot of writing tasks. You need to perform many writing tasks. So ChatGPT is just indispensable tool for that. Marketing, of course, businesses use GPT, and I believe use it soon. All of businesses will use it soon in its work. Lawyers, care providers, technical supports, even programmers. So yes, ChatGPT is able to write code, and it also will give a huge leap in coding as well. So, and many other professions. So we will talk about this in the next lessons. Just stay tuned and see you in the next lesson.